In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and change the theme of your Gmail account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first step to this is go over to Gmail, and once you've come to Gmail, it will obviously load up. And once you've come to Gmail, what you want to go ahead and do is click on the settings cog in the top right corner. And then when you've clicked on that, as you can see there, you've got an option for theme, so you can go ahead and click view all for more themes. So once you've gone ahead and clicked on that, you've got a selection of 3 themes that you can go ahead and choose from. So if you choose like one of these themes up here, you can go ahead and you've got a few more settings that you can change. So I'll just go ahead and show you right now. So I'll just click on this one for example. And as you can see down the bottom, you can go ahead and do a text, or you can blur the background and stuff like that. So for example, if you want to blur the background, just go ahead and scroll this up a little bit. And as you can see, it's blurring the background, it's giving you a little bit of play with the background, and for me that is pretty good to obviously get a better view of the text. So I think this is a pretty cool feature that you can go ahead and change the theme of your Gmail. Yeah, if this video did help you guys, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.